everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be revealing the December mystery kit. I'm so excited to show you guys what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful, and then I'm gonna lay it out in my planner and kind of show you what it looks like on a planner spread in my vertical planner. To tell you a little bit about our mystery subscription, our mystery subscriptions contains artwork that is exclusive to only the mystery subscription, and so you will not see it in our shop at all. And this is artwork that Dawn has created herself, so you won't see it anywhere else either. With the mystery kit, you get a foiled sticker kit as well as an added bonus item. And just so you're aware, today we do have spots open for January's mystery kit. And so if you're not subscribed to our mystery subscription and you want to sign up for this upcoming year, make sure to click the link below to go to our website to subscribe and read a little bit more about it. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what the December mystery kit looks like. Okay, so here's kind of like a quick glance of what it looks like. It is so beautiful. It has like those northern lights background aspect to it with the polar bears and winter. So first let's look at the bonus item. So the bonus item is the washi paper sampler sheet, and it has silver foil on it. And we have some watercolor swatches, some cute decorative icons, like we have some snowflakes and we have some mittens. And then we have a couple of dividers that are rectangular, and it has foiled snowflakes with some wind on there. And this will look perfect with this mystery kit. Okay, so again, here's the first page. We have like a little igloo over here, like a glass dome igloo. And we have some blankets so you can look outside. We have like a thermos with some coffee, some adorable polar bears, and look how cool that foil is underneath them. That's like the dripping ice from the ice that they're on. And then we have a book with some snowflakes, some more ice, snow dripping down, a polar bear, and then a cute little baby penguin. So cute. And then we have that scene of that igloo, and then we have the mountains in the background and a lake and some pines that have snow on it, and then a sweater over here with some like a hiking backpack. Next, we have our Monday through Sunday stickers and then our washi tape stickers. And the colors are so rich and vibrant with that northern lights background and then that ice. Then we have a couple of more full boxes. We have a person that's walking with some boots. We have a baby seal. I just love it. And like a pattern background here, Monday through Sunday box. And then we have the heart date dots, the weekend script, and then some functional foil shapes over there. Then we have our flags at the top, our 3 bow checklist boxes. And at the bottom, we have some circles that have, it's kind of a little hard to see, but we have some circles that can be used for functionality with foil over it. Then we have our foiled functional page. So we have our habit trackers in the middle, and then our header boxes and ovals that you can use to write in whatever you need. Then we have our scallop strips, our bow dividers, our half scallop circles, and then some thinner washi. Headers and glitter headers. our Fashion Girl boxes and then icons. I just love the blue and purple color together. They just complement each other so well. And she's cuddling the polar bear. And there's a snowman right there. That's adorable. And then lastly, we have our deco page. So we have some of those cute animals like the polar bears, the penguin. We have a few of the girls with like the jackets on and the hiking boots. A little Arctic fox up here, some flowers, some snowflakes. So these are all the stickers that come with the December mystery kit. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fast forward and show you what this looks like in my planner so you can kind of get a feel of what it looks like. Okay, and then here is my final spread. I literally just wanted to jump to this instead of doing the whole plan out process. Let me know in the description below if you prefer to see as I'm planning it all out or if you like to jump ahead. But anyways, so this is my spread. I absolutely love it. Love to have my pages really busy with stickers and just looking like a collage, like a Mod Podge of different stickers and elements layered atop each other. And this mystery kit very much allowed for me to be very creative. And I did notice too that there are a few different things, elements that are on the sticker kit for December's mystery subscription that I very much loved. For example, I didn't notice this earlier, but on the page that had the extra boxes, this was not a full box sticker. It was actually those elements that you can see carved out that I added into my planner that I absolutely love. And then we have some dots over there too that could be used. So let's just kind of look at both of the pages. Okay, so first page, gorgeous. I love the animals. Over here I layered the washi, the bonus page that we got, the washi paper sampler. We had that swatch, that watercolor swatch, and I put that underneath one of the Fashion Girls from the deco page, which I love that. And then we have some of those snowflakes from the washi paper page. And then also I put snowflakes from the deco page too. And I really like how there's like different textures and stuff like that, different types of paper, of sticker paper on here. And the next page I did that same thing with that penguin. I love how it looks. And then some of that washi paper stickers again. And then that new little design cut for framing. And there are some of those new circles that are on the 3-bow checklist page. And I just kind of put some of those functionals too down there. I just love this. So let me show you kind of like what stickers I have left over. And this is me like using as many of the stickers that I can, just because I love having not a ton of white space. I love just having the deco and everything like that. But you can definitely like stretch this mystery kit more than 1 week if you wanted to, for like the boxes and functionals and stuff like that. So that's the washi paper sampler. I used most of it. And I'm just gonna kind of lay out the pages. And this was me using a lot of stickers, and I still have stickers left that I can use for December. Quite a bit. So if you have any questions about the mystery subscription, feel free to comment your questions below or to email us at customerservice@dekdesigns.com. Again, these kits are exclusive, so this kit was exclusive to our December month of our mystery kit. Thank you so much for stopping by. I love sharing my pages, and I'm excited to see how you guys use the December mystery for those that have signed up. I hope you've all had a fabulous December so far, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye.